Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Got a really nice, honest 73 Corvette Roadster right here. Has just over 50,000 actual miles, all number matching. Has a nice folder stuffed with maintenance records and history, old title copies with mileage marked as actual. We have the original build sheets, original owner's manual. Just a very nice, clean car, very functional car, very honest car. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read all the specs, look at all the pictures. You'll find price tags on every one of the cars we have for sale, along with monthly finance payments as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified first as the new ones are posted. But for right now, top is down. Let's go for a spin. It's never been off the frame restored. Like I said, it's a good, honest original, so the underneath is not glossy and polished, but it's rock solid frame. There's still some assembly line markings. The original is still showing on some of the components. I noticed the tags are still on the front springs, but it has been maintained as needed. There's a receipt in there for a complete front end rebuild. All the bushings, ball joints, shocks, all that was redone. Significant amount of work done in the back end too. The axle shafts have been rebuilt, new drive shafts. The control arms have been replaced. Bearings have been replaced. So the whole back and front end have been gone through. There's receipts for brakes, for calipers, for master cylinder. It's disc brakes at all four corners. The exhaust is the factory type exhaust. The mufflers look like, they're quiet, but they look like they're nearing the end of their life. There's also the square tips coming out through the valance, the correct ones. Bottom of the motor is not detailed, but it's clean, it's not greasy. It's a Turbo 400 automatic transmission, VIN number matched to this car. It has the 1973 tag riveted to the side of it. It has the original rear end in the back. The fiberglass floors all seem to be in real nice shape. I didn't see any damage. The spare tire carrier, it's all there and complete. So underneath the car is proper, maintained, and good shape. Body's excellent. Starting up front here, this is the 1 year only design. Rubber bumper in front, chrome bumpers in back. 10 years earlier, they had a 1 year design called the split window. So I always say these are going to shoot up in value one day. The headlights fit precisely. This hood fits precisely. No damage, no cracks. I don't see any problem at all. Again, it fits beautifully. Couldn't ask it to fit any better than that. Right up here, the gaps are spot on. No damage. All super nice, no cracking, no body work showing. The body is in really great shape. Just as nice on this side. It's Ontario orange. It's a metal flake paint. It's really in nice shape. Paint has a little touch up here. A couple little nicks here that they all seem to get because it touches the convertible top there. So a couple minor imperfections, a few little touch-ups here or there. There is a hairline crack right here, and this is where the bonding strip is, the original bonding strip. So there is hairline crack right along a little bit in that line there where the strip is at. The front rubber bumper, excellent shape. Even the very tip of it has not been bumped, so that's in really nice shape. Emblem looks new. Windshield's probably the original. It has one mild wiper scratch right here. Other than that, it's crystal clear. The mirrors look real nice. Door handles have a little freckling on the chrome. This is all stainless. It's real nice. This piece is chrome. There's a few freckles. 15 by 8 Corvette wheels. The trim is all shiny and real nice. BF Goodrich tires look like they're new. Emblem looks real nice. Has the luggage rack in the back. It's shiny, has the correct antenna. Back bumpers look like they've been chromed. Tail lights, license plate frame, all that looks to be in really nice shape. Convertible top's in excellent shape. You can see pictures of that on our website. So body is excellent. Paint, everything else shows really, really well. Let's open it up, see what it's like inside. Okay, the door jambs actually are the original paint, never been resprayed. They're in real nice shape. I do believe the Weatherstrips are replaced. They're in excellent shape. The door panels are new, and also has the armrest cushion there. The dash area is in really nice shape. Dash pad is mint. All the instruments, vents, knobs, all in really nice shape. Does have a retro stereo fit right in the hole. Also has a CD changer, so must be CDs hidden somewhere. You can see the interior lights are working. New bezel on the center console here. We've got power windows. This cover is not broken. All new cushions in the seats and new upholstery, so look how nice they fit. Carpet's in really nice shape. Let's see what it looks like behind the seats real quick here. Visors are real nice. Yeah, convertible top looks like it's like new. The Weatherstrips replaced. Here's your compartments for storing items. There's the CD changer. So all real nice shape, real nice interior. The motor's the base 350. It is VIN number matched, the original to the car. Completely authentic and stock. It has the complete air cleaner assembly. It is a cowl induction system. The air comes in through the cowl and is fed into the engine. Stock manifolds, valve covers, ignition shielding. It has power steering, power brakes. And again, there's a pile of receipts, just miscellaneous things. I can see the master cylinder, the alternator, belts, different things look like they've been replaced. I know the radiator was replaced with labor. It was over $1,000. The shroud is real nice. The hood insulation under the hood's real nice. So this is a factory air-conditioned, power steering, power brake convertible with cowl induction, still functional. The air works, by the way. It's been all serviced. It's R134 Freon. You know, this is the condition you like to buy a Corvette or any car in. 50,000 miles on a car that's almost 50 years old. That's nothing. It's been well cared for. That's real obvious. Gentleman I bought it from had some health issues. He was kind of forced to sell the car. He was very sad to let it go. Just assured me how dialed in, get in and drive anywhere. And based on what I see and the little bit I've used the car, I think he was telling me the truth. This is a good, honest, number match car. 1 year only design. That's the rubber vacuum hose sticking out. We'll have to make sure that's tucked in properly. 1 year only design, number match, air conditioned, steering, brakes, low miles. Comes with a pile of paperwork. It's got it all at a very affordable price. Get into an investment grade Corvette convertible here without spending a lot of money. Go to volocars.com. I gave you my impression. Talk to the salesman. They can give you help with your questions. They can help finance the car. They can help get it delivered to your driveway at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. And I just got a thought, our garage door is open. We have them Polaris all-terrain vehicles for running around the property here. What we just paid for one of those is what this Corvette costs. So when I say it's an affordable investment Corvette convertible, it really is. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.